Hello guys and welcome to another post-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Today is December 21st and this is the Bank Nifty's chart on a 5-minute time frame. But as usual, let's start from our daily chart to know what's lying ahead for Bank Nifty in the coming days. All right, so yesterday was a uh, it was a big rally towards the downside, and we have seen a very good bearish candle appearing. Before that, we had a couple of indications that the Bank Nifty is exhausted with its momentum. It was a healthy pullback yesterday. Today, we have seen pretty much of a gap down opening in the Bank Nifty, okay, of around say to 60 points from yesterday's close, but then it came down, but it took support at this 46,900 level approximately, and then it started rising back. So we are at to see right now it is in a it is in a correction zone. See, all this is in a zone, so until Bank Nifty crosses this zone, we cannot come to a conclusion about the direction of the Bank Nifty. So in a markets like this where you have seen a continuous rally from there, okay, from here to the highest point before couple of days, it was 4,700 points of momentum that we have seen in Bank Nifty. So 4,700 points is not a joke. We need to see some kind of pullback. Bank Nifty needs to find some support, and then from there it can go. It needs to form a swing low. See, from there we have not seen. This is a kind of swing low. This is a very minor swing low, but then from here, that is the only point. Okay, see, if you draw a line from there, this momentum, see, let's take from here. Okay, so this is a pullback, and then again it rallied almost till here, and this is a small minor pullback, and then okay, it has gone a little above this, and then we have seen a very small pullback there, and now we are at that level of Bank Nifty. So it is healthy to see these pullbacks until you see a breakout from uh, until you see any swing low breaking down, or you see any bearish candle momentum forming at this coming at this level, then you need to be bearish. Right now it is in the correction mode, so you have to be careful. So if you are coming down, then we have multiple chances of Bank Nifty today. See, that can be a level, and this can be a level, and also this can be a level, and this gap, this gap is going to act as support if the Bank Nifty is coming down. But if it is going towards the if it is again decided to keep its rally going, then in that case you need to see a close on a daily chart above this line. Only then uh, we can say that the Bank Nifty resumed its momentum again. So but before all this, you need to remember one thing: whenever the market is in this stage, see, irrespective of the daily chart, okay, irrespective of the daily chart, from past many days or even from the beginning of our channel, we have been talking about how to create your own intraday support and resistance levels in your intraday time frame, that is in your 5-minute time frame, based on the swing highs and lows that you see there after the market opening. Based on that, you can take decisions, but this helps you to understand uh, what is the wider picture of the Bank Nifty. So this is the wider picture of the Bank Nifty. We are in a correction mode, and today it's been a kind of a bullish day after seeing support at the 46,900 levels. Bank Nifty is in a bullish momentum towards the upper side, but after a very big trending day like this, seeing a green candle with this much of the range is it means that it held its support levels very strong, and it has intention to go towards the upper side. But you need to wait to uh, see the intraday swing highs and lows and take action based on that. Okay, now let's see how the Nifty is performing. Yesterday it was worst for the Nifty, because you see the kind of momentum that from the opening to the close, it's around 395, that is 400 points. Okay, but from the highest to the lowest, yesterday Nifty has seen from highest to the lowest of 500 points. That is a drastical fall. So even Nifty here is in the same situation. It is in a mood to correct the momentum that it has created. See, it's continuously seeing a momentum, okay, till there, and there are There are a couple of pullbacks started from there. Okay, now we are here. Now again, Nifty is coming down to correct. Looks like it has taken a good support in today's market, because even after seeing a gap down opening, it has taken a support at around 21,000, because this is a swing high, and also it is a this location right here. Okay, it is a previous swing high, and also it is coming around 21,000, important round number for the Nifty. So it looks like it has given some sort of support, but still we cannot be bullish on a daily time frame until you see a close about 21,580 levels. That is the all-time high of the Nifty. So until then, whenever you are in this zone for the Nifty, you need to be very careful and always trade with your intraday levels. Don't carry forward any positions. You might see surprise pullbacks like this. So these pullbacks and corrections are, normal and healthy on a uh, market where it's rallying to its all-time highs. All right, so that is with the Bank Nifty and Nifty on a daily chart. Now let's go back to the Bank Nifty and see it on a 5 minute chart, and see what can we learn from today's price action of Bank Nifty. Let's see what were the opportunities that could have been traded. Okay, by looking at the fresh chart of Bank Nifty, that is today's chart, like we do every day. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our channel to see more such analysis on post markets of Bank Nifty and Nifty, and also on technical analysis. Right now, we do have candlestick pattern series going, and also we have strategies uh, playlist started very recently, so you can check those out in our channel. So all right, so coming back to the Bank Nifties, we have seen Bank Nifty opening at 47,140 levels, and the initial three candles of the Bank Nifty is towards the downside. But then this is the absolute place where we have seen a strong support coming from the Bank Nifty, and this in turn has given us a swing low after a couple of handles here. You know that this is a swing low, so you would draw a support area there and wait for the prices to come and see a reaction there. But after that, you need to also look for the swing high, which is this. Okay, this is the swing high. So here you have seen, so at this point you know that this is a swing high. So now you have seen a breakout towards the upside, but you haven't seen any confirmation candle after that. So this formation, these two candles put together, 10-4-5 and 10-10 candle, both these candles put together is giving us a candlestick pattern called Harame pattern, which is also called as inside candle formation. So whenever you see that, you need to take, you know that this is not a genuine breakout. So you would take a breakout, you would take a trade to the opposite direction, that is towards the bottom side. And in this case, we have seen a genuine stop loss today according to that, because the second candle after you have taken an entry there, you have seen a candle getting closed above your stop loss. So this would have been your genuine stop loss, whereas if it is coming towards your target, you would have taken your target there. First target, it is very close to the one, so it's just 2 decimal points away from the one. So it's okay to take that particular trade, because in every trade we ensure that your risk versus reward ratio is at least one. So in this case, it's just 2 points away from the 1:1, so it's okay to get into that trade. But those who are very particular about those 2 points would have not traded this, and then be on the safer side. But it's okay to take stop losses every now and then. So this is the stop loss of 65 points in the Bank Nifty. And after that, you see where is the next reaction. Next reaction is right here. Okay, so after that, prices have come down to this, and they have taken support here. So this again is another inside candle formation, which is a Harame candle formation. So here you should have taken a trade towards the upper side. So here you should have taken a trade into the closing of that candle and kept your stop loss under this support area, and then your target as this, which is in this case is more than 1:1. You have a risk reward ratio of 1.6 here. So after that, you have seen in one candle itself, you have seen a gain of 113 points, and here you have a loss of 60 points in your earlier trade. So at net, you would have recovered the loss what you had in earlier, and then may come into the profits. So after that, you could have trailed, you could have got your stop loss from cost to cost, and see what has happened. See, your next target is somewhere in this swing high. Okay, so excuse me, yeah, your next target was that, and which where we have seen that target is achieved at around 1240. So after this, your next target would have been this, the next swing low. I'm simply marking the higher the swing highs on the left. So that was your next target. You see, it it has reached your next target, but little late. So at this point, it's assumed that your loss is at zero, because you would have trailed your uh, stop loss from cost to cost. And when you are here, it's tricky now. So some might have, because this is your first target, this is because that is your first target. Some might, so when you see market almost reaching your second target, some might have got their stop loss here, but those who have not, also is not a problem, because this prices did not hit that, even that level. So you could have continued your trade until you see either a stop loss is getting hit, or a target is getting hit. So now you have your prices reaching your second target. In this case, now you would have gotten your loss to this level, because that is your initial target. So now let's assume that your stop loss is here, and actually this is not a stop loss, you are actually sitting on this much of profit. And then see, where is your next target? That is your next target. So what happened after that is, we have also seen a bank nifty going towards that level, and after that, this is the next level on the left. Okay, this is because that was the previous swing high, and that didn't reach. So let's assume that you have exited only at here this point, or towards the close. Don't recommend to carry forward the positions, but even in this case, we have seen a momentum of 587 points minus previous 60 points as stop loss, almost around 520 points of uh, the profit could have been taken if you have traded like this. Okay, so there is no need to get confused in between with the swing highs and lows. So you, while entering, you have this as your first target, and this as your second and target. Okay, this could have been your second target. Yeah, now this could have been your second target, right? So here you have, because that is your swing high reaction. So from where, when you see a prices reaching this level, and after that, well, it couldn't catch this, where it has seen again coming back. So even if you have taken that as your target, that it's no more, it's no less. Okay, so it's 379.80 points. Okay, through 380 points minus 60 is again 320 points, is definitely not a bad thing. All right, so after that, again, if you would have if you know a channel breakout, so those who have a very good technical analysis on those who have good knowledge on technical analysis would have also drawn down a channel like that after seeing prices going in this direction. So whenever you see that happening. Okay, so whenever you see this happening, where you see prices are going there, and from there you have seen, see, multiple. So this is called a channel trend line breakout. So here you have seen a breakout, here you have seen a breakout towards the upper side, and that worked very well. Okay, that worked very well. So even in this case, you should have entered here. Okay, even in this case, you should have entered here. So from there to close, it's another 280 points. So 320 plus another 280 points would have been taken. There was a possibility. So that is with the bank nifty chart for today. So now let's see. So how many points here? So here we have around 320 points minus 380 points minus 60 is 320 points here. And here, if you are entering, you could have seen a momentum of say this much. Yeah, how much is this? This is another 330. So you are sitting at a good 650 points now, both these put together, if you have traded in this way. But most of you would have thought that, today would have been a sideways day, because yesterday we have seen that much of a big rally. Traditionally, that is how it should be. Only in rare say cases or scenarios, we do see a momentum like this right after a trending day, and that too, this is a solid correction. Okay, it has taken support from here, and it has rallied very well in the bank nifty. So coming back to the nifty here, it's taking some time to load up. Yes, now we got the nifty chart on 5 minute. See, in the nifty again, see, this is the initial swing low, and this is your initial swing high. and here you have seen a breakout. Here you have seen a kind of a failed confirmation, and here would have taken a trade towards the downside, but this didn't work because after that you have seen your stop loss is getting hit there. It is exactly like your bank nifty. Okay, so this is the breakout again, because okay, now that becomes your latest swing high, and this is your another inside candle formation. Here would have taken a trade towards the downside, but even that didn't work. This looks like you have taken another stop loss. Actually, this is your stop loss. Okay, minus 13 points. So here you have 15, here you have 13, that is close to 28 points. And now after nifty sustaining here for more than half an hour, here you would have drawn a very good support area. And whenever you here you have seen a breakout. Here you have seen another breakout. This is a swing high, and this is another breakout. Here you have seen another failure. So from there to here, this looks like, even if you have take trade, this is large. This is a greatest stop loss towards the top. If you want to take a trade towards the bottom, and this is achieved, so not a right place to take, because of the proper because there is no proper risk versus reward ratio. If you want to plan towards the downside, because this would have been your target. At the same level, you see this happening. This is an inside candle formation, harami candle formation, and also this particular candle right here is a hammer. Okay, it is a bullish reversal sign. There was a possibility to take a trade, where in that case this would have been your first target, and then this could have been your next target. Looks like it has reached only your first target, and then nothing happened. Okay, so yeah, stop losses of these two would have recovered here. Okay, or if you're trailing, when your prices are here, if you're trailing your stop loss from cost to cost, then you would have got your stop loss here, and then keep you would have kept waiting, and nothing performed. Again, it came to this point, to your first target, and again this time, by the time it came here, you have this as your second target now. Okay, so now here, when you are here, you would have got your stop loss there. I hope you are understanding. Those who are familiar with our channel would know all these points. Okay, if not, kindly request you to watch all of our candlestick patterns and couple of post market analysis videos, so that you clearly know where to enter and where to exit. So here it gave again a good 80 points and minus 30 points. Even here you could have seen a momentum of 50 points based on the price action levels that we have seen. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for being towards the end of the video, and please do subscribe to our channel to see more such post market analysis on bank nifty and nifty in a much uh, meaningful manner. Thank you so much.